Alright. Yeah. Well, I don't think anyone's in chat yet, so I'm just gonna start working and see how it goes. Last time we made a little... let me grab it. There. Made a little mimic thing. Like a save point mimic. So today I'm gonna be working on the levels a bit and seeing if we can get to that part. So, there we go. I think I gotta start with fixing the tile set a bit, because it's just a copied over version basically. It's still even named the same thing, despite not being a ruins level. In fact, I don't know if any of these are named yet. No, it doesn't look like it. So I'm gonna start with naming these the correct names. Parallax, Snowlands. Okay, so that is named. I'm just gonna name these. All of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Lab, secret, and I will leave the template out. I don't think it has to be named. Oh, I probably should, just for good measure. There we go. I actually don't have a chat by my side, so let me do that real quick. Pop out a chat and make that always on top. There you go. That should be good. So, like an overlay application. Didn't even know I had that. Well, let me just make that a bit smaller. Oh! No, okay, it's set, okay. I'm tripping. The stream preview was showing up weirdly. Anyway, time to get to work. Secret. This one should just be called secret, I guess. I actually forgot which room this is. I will have to look back on these from my sheets. We're a little bit laggy, so I hope I won't have to restart to have a less laggy playtest experience in a bit, but it'll be fine, surely. If it's too laggy, we'll just do some more pixel arts, because lag should not be affecting that at all. Oh. Okay, was double checking if my mic was on. So for today, I pretty much only have rooms planned, like just getting a bunch of these rooms done. Not exactly like coated, just getting the collision to be proper, so I can like spice it up later. I kinda do want to get to the boss yet, but I don't know if that's gonna be in it for today, because it's kind of a lot of work. But hey, we'll see. Maybe I'm super fast. Alright. Let's start with the style sets, because I think I can just change it here and it will change for every, but I'm not certain, so let me just double check. There's our tile sets. Alright, let's go out of there. So all of these have collision. Or do they have collision? About to see. Okay, so they do. I may already have done this last time, I'm not certain. A little bit messy, I don't keep track of... Oh, I mean these still need collision, but I kind of want to have a special non-friction version of collision those, so I'll leave those out for now. Because I want to introduce like ice and being able to slide on it. Because more depth. Love to see it. So, if I'm not mistaken, the last room should already connect to this. Of the ruins. Yeah, it should already connect to it. And it has like a path. Still need to do a bunch of the background here, but I want to make this much bigger. Maybe I should do that right now. Nah, I will first make sure all the pathways work, and then we'll look into that. Should be another up path. This one. There, should put the player right here. So let's hook up one. Path right goes here. Path left goes there. And I'm gonna have to look into which rooms have a save point attached to them. Because right now I think all of them do. Just for testing purposes. But obviously we're not gonna get that many checkpoints. That would be a bit easy. Alright, I wanted to do a special room here that you could somehow get to later. Actually forgot about this. That's right. This was probably the most important one of these, because it leads into the room. There we go. Zero. There's 0. And got a button there. Is that button hooked up? Gate ID 4. Gonna move that to 5 because I think I wanted a gate in one of these previous ones. 114 was it? No, 113? Yeah, I think that one's already hooked up. On gate ID 3, yes. But yeah, I want another gate in here, so I'm just gonna put one in. Maybe here, maybe there. Here would be nice. Just have like a little section that you have to go through first. And a button. What number did I call? 4 was it? 0. Button. Yeah, 4. So this gate and button have gate ID 4. Alright. And now I will put this button here for easy access. But gonna be changing that soon. So 2 is set, 1 is set. Let's go to number 3. This is definitely the most tedious part of the development, by the way. Oh, did I? Oh yes, 3 is up there. I almost forgot. And I do want to add platforms here, but that's for later. Also, I may update the platforms a bit, so quick dropping is gonna be easier. Because I've noticed a lot of people get stuck with the platforms. I don't know if that's a skill issue or just me not explaining the game properly, but hey, about to find out. It's gonna be gate ID 4 then, because I changed the button on room 0 to gate 5. Yeah, 5, 5. Okay, that's good. It's all set. Number 6. Room number 6 isn't made yet. I think this was gonna be planned for the boss room. Yeah, because over here from 5 you go up, and there will be a boss. Oh, let me get the path to the right as well, because that's not done yet. Oh hey, yeah, Nessa. See the PNG moving now? Oh yeah, it's talking now. Welcome to the stream. So that gate goes to that. Yes, hi. You should be a little character of yours on the screen too now. And talks and stuff. There is like ways to like customize it, but I haven't configured any of that yet, so no clue how that works exactly. I do know you can do like exclamation mark jump to make it like jump, so that's kind of cute. Oh, oops. Left. Ah, yeah, it's like it's a Steam thing. You can like connect to it. It's called Stream Avatars. Oh, there you go. Alright, test run. Let me check if my thing is still configured to show it properly. I hope so. Jump. Boing. Oh, there we go. Now it is. I think it was this one. Yep. Okay, it's a little bit laggy as I thought, but it's feasible. Get up here, gotta roll over these. Gotta cancel. Hit the switch. Switch through here, and then there we go. Oh, collision still is not set. And I've noticed it goes through the wrong gate. He's just jumping. Boing, boing. So I presume it did not update this, did it? It's all set up. Oh, this one. Physics layer. I don't. Is there a command list or something? Let me look into that real quick. Streaming avatars, commands documents. Post a link in your chat room with a list of commands. Yeah, there's this. I think it might take a little bit for that to distracting from development. Nah, it's fine. I'm messing with a little bit of a bug here. Alright, so some of these paths needs to be switched. Path up. This one goes to Snowlands. This one goes to Ruins. So Ruins number 13 or 14 needs to lead to path down. Snowland 0 up, version 1, I think. So that's one step, and then the collision. Oh yeah, and I have to set this one to version 1 as well. And this one to version 0. That means I also altered this one, so this one also has to be version 0. And this path down. Okay, that should be fine. Yeah, it still hasn't sent the command list, so... Oh, never mind, there it is. Actions, jump, left 20%, right 40%, sit. Oh, this is a sit command. Stand, attack. You can attack people. Dance, fart, hug, avatars. Avatars, blockman, equip a specified avatar, okay. Background, color... Gear of oh, there's so many commands. Okay. Oh. There. Okay, that's set. I know what a collision is. Nope. I know what a collision isn't working. This is this style, I think. By choice, action, avatar, color, gear, name tags. So much. Room 0. Start trying to get like stuff here. I think there was a squid avatar, so maybe if you do like exclamation mark by squid. I have no clue how it works. There are no purchasable items for school. Oh. Okay, so it definitely needs some more configuring, I think. I could check real quick. Yeah, one sec. I don't know if this is like visible on stream. Yeah, it's not. Okay. So... shop editing. This. Select all one avatars. Gear. Select all? Okay. Select all gear, sure. Select all actions. How do I enable it? Apply mass edit to all selected. Can you select switching you to iPad? Alright. How does this work? Okay, there's cost configured. Leave. Cat ears. I kinda want to leave. Let me check that out. Buy leaf. Oh shit, I have to connect it first. Buy leaf. Kabom. Welcome back. I have no clue if any of this works, but equip? Is there equip? Oh, good morning, Tesla. Oh wait, that's in your name. Welcome back, Tesla. Yeah, I don't know how the purchasing works, sorry. I looked into it, but it seemed to all be enabled already. The bot hates you. I'll look into that once more. So, shop editing, user editing, no, shop editing I think. I think it only works for subscribers. I don't know if you're subscribed. Because it says like a little... Wait, I'll put it in like full screen. Oppa. We got everything now. Oh, actually, now we got everything. Okay, there. So we have like a little thing here that lets you like configure the cost and stuff. And like it says subscriber. I don't think like membership, moderators, subscriber. Condition and or... I don't know what any of this is. It's currency settings, gold. I'm just gonna call it coin. Currency name is coin now. You subscribed? Yeah. So I don't know why it's doing that then. Streamer owns all items. Enable currency command. Show an extension. Because I can like toggle this and then select all gear, but then it doesn't do anything. Avatars and gears. Allowed gear? Oh, everything is allowed, it looks like. Yeah, I have no clue how any of this works, I'm sorry. What does this have to do with this for now? Can we connect it back? And it should be back now. Maybe stuff like this works. Buy gear, leaf, and then equip gear, leaf. Something like that might work. Because maybe maybe it's called gear. Like try shop gear or buy gear, whatever it was called. Because I think avatars is just for the characters themselves, and there's no other characters than the one you start with. So that might be what it is, but I have no clue. Let's see, snowlands. Oh, tall map, boom space. Oh, yeah, there you go. So it's called gear and not yellow thing. So I wonder if these work with collision. So I'm just gonna do this. Oh no. Okay, auto tile does not work with this terrain set yet. I guess I should start with working at that logic out. I think it's called B_hair, but I'm not sure. If I'm reading that right. Can I just... Okay, I mean this will do for now. Let's see if this works. Go Jamiroquai. Oh, did that work? Spin. No, didn't work. Try like exclamation mark buy gear B_hair. Maybe? Yeah, like that. And then I think you have to equip it afterwards too. Oppa, that. Oh, you have hair color, hair choices. Oh my god, there's so much. Okay, that's a little bit buggy. I kinda want that to not fling the player as much. Oh my god, it's spamming the chat. Oh, it's fine. Wait, how do you know how much money you have? I have no clue, in all honesty. Oppa. Jesus, how many hairstyles are there? Oh, the collision works. Okay. Nice. So it was just that one tile not having collision. What if it's ugly? Yeah, I don't know. I actually don't know. Equip gear. Let me try this one, because I know there was something called this. Will it say I have it? Because it said like streamer has everything, right? I don't think it's gonna let me see. I think it's the bot is just ignoring me. Let me just make like temporarily fill all of these in with this base tile. So this collision at least. Alright, there was something in room 14 I wanted to adjust. I guess I want to move this inwards more? Or this inwards more? Oh, there. Get rid of a bit of the decal layer, like that. And then put some chains over here. Funny meow mix. Oh, why is it doing that? Don't do that, do this. Okay, that's better. Off. Style this one right here. Okay, so that goes up again. Then I want this to go like that. I don't know if this is gonna go through or up. Meow music, my beloved. Yeah, we love meowcore. Meowcore? Is that what we would call this? Whatever this is, I dig it. Like this. Yeah, and without cancel, how far does this send? Oh, it doesn't go up. Let's see if that was a fluke. It's not a fluke, okay. So I will have to... Thank you, Steam. Steam keeps giving me like cloud errors every time, because of course this is like a newer build than the game is actually made for. So that's funny. It's trying to like save stuff that I cannot save. So every time I close the game, it's gonna go cloud error. I may want to add like a different cancel for hitting like a ceiling like that, like an actual bonk. Alright, let's see. Goes up. Okay, but it doesn't stop me, it like bounces me back, because it uses the bonk feature. I think I want like a no momentum bonk if you bump into a wall like that. From the ceiling. Does that make sense? No, because it would get rid of the one further up ahead. And that one is fun. Maybe a one-way gate that pushes me? Maybe I just make it roll down so it like forces you down. I think I'll do that. Oh. There. Like this. And then maybe it's gonna send me down, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So if I don't cancel... Am I making the same mistake? I forgot to put the slanted area again. There. Now it should be good. Let me make it a bit prettier. There we go. probably polish up this function sometime too, because it feels a little bit rigid, and I want to make it feel like more free. Also might add some chains on that thing as well, make it easier access. Okay, let's see. Please work. Yes, now it sends you back. So it teaches you to cancel it, because otherwise it's gonna send you down here. Also, wait. How? Okay, so for some reason this area now also lets you roll against it, which it shouldn't do. But hey, it works. This could lead to some really funky interactions, so that's cool, at least. Yeah, because it's going up like that, which it should not be doing, but you know, it's cool. Let's go here. Bonk. Go check out this area. Awesome. And I think if I enter the next one, yep, it sends me down, because there's no collision here yet. Okay. So this area is pretty much set. There's gonna be like an extra area up here, because I want like a bit more teaching you the roll mechanics area. That's also why there's a button here. The button's gonna be moved somewhere in the area. And then I could start mapping out all of the snow area. Platforms are gonna be something. Let's see. I guess I'll start with this one, because this tile set is already finished, so it'll make everything a whole lot faster. There we go. I'm gonna say the scale of this should be like up until here. Let me get this. Like there. That should be good. Alright. Let's make a cool thing. I'm gonna have to put platforms, but for now I'll just start working on this. So I'm gonna duplicate this gate, because I want an additional one here that leads back to it, along with a switch. I want to put like somewhere around here, maybe a little combat encounter as well. Yeah, because that could force the player to discover how the combo system works. Oh, did not need to move that. There you go. So it starts with kind of a big room. No, it doesn't have to be that big, just about this. So they roll in here. That's the combos like in this game. I'll show you some. Most of the work in this game... Sorry for the microphone adjustments. I pulled it down a bit. Most of the work in this game is in the combo mechanics right now. The mapping and stuff, it definitely takes the most time. I won't lie about that, but... Here, let me just... Oh, it's so laggy. See if I can like flash a combo in. So essentially all of the abilities can be like equipped in a different direction. You can activate them Here, so I'll start with the roll over there. I'll grab, let's grab some basic ones. Kinda introductory things. This one is pretty basic and introductory, and so is... this one, I guess. Alright. Oh, let me grab this as well. And equip the Ramune. There we go. So basically, if you do any attack and you follow it up, let me put the dummy back here. You follow it up with a move, it goes into combo states. And combo states allows you to continue it basically with a bunch of like it adds additional stun to them. So I could do like boom, boom, boom. Oh, I didn't activate momentum there. Boom, boom, boom. Went to cooldown. And you see like on the top left you have like a cooldown thing, so it still like kinda limits you in a way. Let me equip the other thing too. The Moth Plushie, because it also allows some extra combo stuff. So boom, 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 boom. Spin, spin, spin. Point, spin, spin, spin. Okay, I didn't have any momentum, but you can kind of see the concept. There we go. Missed, lost it. It's also a bit harder right now because it's laggy, but yeah, you get a lot of options. Up. And you gotta watch your cooldowns, of course. Oh, damn, he went too high. Boom, boom. Big swing, yep. And this is currently one of the favorite ones that I added. Where is it? There, this one. Bonk. Bonk. You see, you can do like a lot of funky stuff with that. You love the sound effects, the bubbly? Yeah, I made them in a program called SFXer. Wait, did I just have a bug there? Hold on. Let me double check that. Made them in... Oh, this is my own voice. No, I didn't. Okay, I'm just seeing things. There we go. But yeah, I could like quickly display some combos from oh, this is old. Yeah, okay, this is one of my combos, but I'll try to showcase some combos from other people too. This one. Okay. Let me import it. Media source. Downloads. Oh, there you go. Okay, so here's one of my combos. You do with 3 and then boom. Oh. Well, there's one of them. Let me show another one. This one's by Omar from the Discord. I gave him like a test build with one of the abilities. And you see how you can even use the roll like into a wall to combo off of it. Some really spicy things with the combos. Yep. Let me see if there was another one. Because there was an infinite that I left in, because it's pretty good. Oh, this one's by Rosut. Let me put that in as well. There. Oh, that's big. There. So that's using the double guns. There we go. Okay. So here's the infinite. I actually found this, but Omar managed to hit like a I think it doesn't hit it at the start. Double is so stylish. Yeah, there are a lot of fun to make. Yeah, it relies on like platform rolling to get the infinite. This is it. My bad. There. I lowered it a bit. Is it better now? I don't know what the audio is, because I can't hear it myself for some reason from the videos. Yes? Okay. It's better now. Nice. But yeah, that's one of the infinite routes where you can just keep going. But most enemies will already die at this point. Bonk, bonk. Get the pickup again and he goes rolling. Let's see if I got... Oh yeah. So originally it was much easier to infinite. I'm just gonna mute the media source altogether because this one's loud. Here. There. So this was how you could infinite originally. You could just keep doing that over and over, which obviously is a bit too easy, so... So I made it nicer. There. Alright. Back to this. Maybe make like a cool room. Oh, hey Rose. I was just showcasing one of your combos. I'm about to have to sleep. Just wanted to say good luck on the development and have a good night. You have a good night too. Thanks for the encouragement. You just realized that's Judgment Cut? Yep, it is. I love referencing things in my games. Yep, the one with the... Wait, I'll showcase it again. Here. A media source there. I think it's this one? Yes, this one. Oh. There. This one with the blasters. You got some really clean hits on it. Bam. 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 There we go. But for what reason, may I ask? Oh, I was just explaining like the combo mechanics. And I was a bit laggy, so I went to like showcase some combos from the Discord, from the combo channel. So over here, put another gate there. Take care. Can just copy this one over and then just the properties. I love how you put the frame data bar below. It would help with timing and stuff. Yeah, frame data I feel is very important if people want to know how long a move actually stuns. Especially since I put like visually. I made it so that it doesn't only show the amount of stun, but it also has like a little bar. Because games like Under Night, I don't know if you know that. It's like a fighting game. It hold on, I'm thinking of it. So there's combat encounter. Ah yeah, there it is. Okay. Yeah. So in that training mode, there is also that concept where you have like a little bar. Gates, waves. I completely forgot how to do this. Give me a moment. It has it? Yeah. Under Night has a little like visual slider bar that goes down. Yeah, a combo bar. Yep. And it like very clearly displays how much stun there is on a thing. So that's super nice. So I think the last encounter that happens in the game is at room... Was it 8? It might be 8. Oh my god, I got a first try. Combat encounter ID number 2. So now we need ID number 3. You know it's combo bar, but you... Not the frame bar, that's neat. Yeah. Gates. So, this one. Okay, this one. Put another one in here. Game keeps getting better every time you hear about it. Under Night or SLUG gear? Under Night, you meant? Fair. Yeah. Under Night, I don't know if you have played 1 or 2, but I really love 2 so far. Although I haven't played it much, because I got work and stuff to do, but absolutely love it. SLUG gear you know very little about, so I thought of asking earlier. That makes sense, yeah. Is this perfectly aligned? It is. Okay. So this could lead to a bump. I've tried Under Night offline, then Systems recently. Oh, Systems. Oh yeah, that's Unity 2. Recently, but laptop can't run, so this shit. Oh, that's fair. Yeah, the specs on Under Night 2 are a bit higher, I guess, because we use different shaders, I suppose. Assign the gates. Boom. Gate 3 and 4, I think. 3? Yeah, 3 and 4. 3 and gate 4. Reward spawn location. Nah, we don't do extra rewards. Your little character's gone? I think you didn't type in the wall. Your message didn't send what? Yeah. There, see, it's back. They disappear after like 5 minutes of inactivity, I think. You did? It didn't send? Oh. I see. Wave 1. New encounter. I completely forgot how this works. Oh, this isn't too bad. No, I kind of remember. I think. That element. So in wave 1, we add enemies. Did I make flying enemies? Prefabs enemies. Basic. Yeah, I did. So I can make one spawn over here, and then you just run into it with the roll. Oh, that's gonna be cool. So I'm just gonna like test them out. One here. Which word is banned? Wait, let me check on YouTube. I should be able to like moderate stuff. Top chat, live chat. Oh, it doesn't show up. Community moderation, participant reactions, pop out chat. I have no idea how to do this. There, clear. There, and always on top, so I have the chat to my side again. Okay, combat counter. Yeah, so I want a bat bot in the first wave. Spawn at location. What is this? Transform. Is this the position? Oh, it is. Okay. 1,000 and then this number. That's where the first enemy goes. Pop. Pop is bad. Sodi. Soda. Soda pop. What? What's going on? So why doesn't the message send? I have no clue. We're checking if the word was banned. Soda. Soda. First one is here, and then the second one I want to spawn like down here. So patroller or turret? Patroller, I guess. What's your base health? Max armor, max HP 3. That should be fine. I think that lets you combo. Did I just close the room? No, I did. Okay, okay. So, this one spawns at location. This, and then 368. So, Sodi Pop? 368. There, second wave. Three, 6, 8. Oh, Sodican. Sodican, is that the animator? Of the Are You Real? Sodi. You holding Sodi? I'm holding soda? Yes? Oh, it is a Sodican. Yeah, I love the animator. They make Did they make music? I thought they made music, right? Can't wait for a series. Oh, they're gonna make a series? I'm like not up to date about anything about them at all. She made a lot of music? They did, yeah, I knew there was something. I love their abstract style. It's like super I mean unique for one. But also what's the word? very it's called Blood and Skinny Hedgehog. Interesting naming. There. There's a mini episode one or like a pilot. I should check that out. I will check that out tonight. And then a little terrain in the middle here. It's a very tiny pilot though. That's cool. So over here. And this is where last wave will spawn. Or do I put both here? Yeah. I just add an additional one. Patroller goes to spawn over here. Patroller, and that goes to, what is this location? $1081, $1081, $1081, $1081, $1081, $1081. I'm very bad with numbers. $1081. Okay, there you go. I guess let's try it out. I definitely want to add like more UI sounds, because a lot of the UI in the game doesn't have sound effects yet, like selecting things. I want to add like little chiptune-ish tunes, like little when you like equip something, like it actually feels like you're putting something in your bag or something. It's gotta have that crafty touch to it. Oh, I forgot to add the platforms. Let me start with that. Platform. Is it top right? Yes, the top. There we go. Alright, let's go check it out. Originally, I had it like easier with the platforms. I had it so that it's built into the tile set and it would just disable the platform layer when you drop through. But it led to being super laggy if there was like a big room with a lot of platforms, because it would enable like the collision on everything at once, which obviously isn't a good idea. So I wanna change the background in this room a bit, because it's not feeling very filled. It's a bit empty. Maybe add more faces? Okay. Anyway. Are you not coded? Did I not code you? There's no way. I forgot to code it. Well, I guess we should do that right now. Really thought I coded this thing. Bedbot, there. Hitbox? Yeah, you don't even have a hurt box. hurt the box. Collision shape 2D. There you go. Pretty big hurt box. I'm pretty sure these automatically set itself correct. Visual sprite assign to sprite. Death effects. You only have 1 HP, yeah, that's correct. I never coded you. Damn, okay. Let's start with... I wanted it to move in like a little path, right? Like a left and right wavy path, but maybe I should just make it stationary? I think that's a better idea, to make it stationary. Was there a death effect? Death. No. I'll just keep it simple for the stream? No, I could code it. For one, it has to animate. So, func ready sprites dot play default. Little jump. What's the speed of this? Does the speed look good? No, you gotta go faster. Speed scale 4. 3. Yeah, and then I want more of these frames. Play. One more of these. No, that looks too jarred. Maybe one more of these? No. I think like this is fine. So speed scale 3. Anything else I should take care of? I think that's good. So now it has... I'm a little bit hungry, I might grab a snack in a sec. Where's the physics? I forgot how physics works on this. Do I just overwrite your base enemy collision? Collision drops visual with gravity. Go slowdown? No. Gravity. No floor, stagger, gravity, go slowdown. Oh god, I don't want to rewrite that whole function. I'll just add a toggle for it? No, that would mess up the other export settings. Or would it? The var uses gravity. It's true. Now, going back to the gravity function. If... No. Elif uses gravity, then uses function. And by default it's true. So now I just need to go into this one and just say uses gravity is false. That should already do it, I think. I still want to make it like go up and down, but for now this should be the basis. So let's go test it out. And after that's done, I'm gonna grab a snack, eat for 5 minutes, maybe less, and then Continue. Move the chat out of the way a bit. Oh. Extend activated. Thank you. What snack? Oh no, probably another sultana. I mean, bread would also be good. Oh, I do still have some bakeable breads, like the bread that you put in like an air fryer or oven. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, it doesn't have a death animation. That's why. Ooh, I wanted to like do one of those sizzling things where it like crashes down. That would be so cool. Death. Yeah, I'll be sprouting that soon. Wait, maybe there is already one? I don't know if I already sprouted this. Enemies. Common. Oh, bad box. Yeah, there's none yet. So I'll just sprout that in a sec. What else? Oh yeah, explosion. Let's see. Death effect. Explode. Small explosion. Okay. Be right back. Let me put it to this. And we're back. Yeah, so let's see, because we left off at the little robot thing, this one. And I think it's a good idea to give him like a little death spread now, where he like falls down. I kind of want to add like a particle effect too, but thank you. Welcome back too. Or I don't know if you left, but welcome back. But yeah, particle effect of like maybe smoke trail when it falls down. But for now I'm just gonna give it like a little expression. Might be a tiny bit AFK from cleaning, oh that's fine. No worries. Enemies. Bad box. We're still listening, I see. So I'm thinking I'll be grabbing this bread. Make like a panicked expression. Like that. Yeah. And then a bit of perspective changing. So I want it to go down by one. The wings can be completely broken. Play more classical jazzy? You don't like the meow synth? I'll take a look. You're vibing with it? I think you might like Sekara. I think there was another Sekara track in here. We got some Botsu. Botsu's kinda jazzy, classical. Where is Sekara? There, this one. Thank you. You're welcome. Swing go up like this as well. Put some dents in it, so it looks broken. So I'm thinking what it should do is on its death animation, it's gonna fall first and then explode when it hits the ground. So let me export this. And import it here. One, two. I think there was a death function. If current HP is 0. Play death, await, animation finished, drops, death effect. Death. Surely I made up. I didn't make a function? Versus delta, if current HP is equal or less than 0, then on floor we move the velocity to 0, otherwise not. If we're alive, duplicate this frame a bit. Yeah. Play death, wait for the animation to finish. I guess I just make it large. Could just override this whole function by copying it over. Not really, because I need to super process delta. Pictures. Bank process delta. Current HP is less than uses gravity is true. And then if is on floor, we grab the same function. Yeah, facts. This. Oh, this is how we handle that. Okay. So we just don't touch the alive function. Indentate everything by 1. Let's go check it out. Actually, I'm gonna make testing it a bit easier. I'm gonna put it in an earlier room. This one, I think, is the safe file one. No, the one after that, 13. So first let's set the sprite to be on the correct one, because it's set wrong. There you go. On 13 we're gonna add it right here at the beginning. So we can test that straight away. Opa, that crashed. Oh, case sensitive. Of course, I would forget the capitalization. Everybody look in for the microphone screech. That wasn't too bad. I don't think. I don't know how that sounded. Microphone. True, you love lowercase? I do. Huh? You can play on null instance. Oh, it's already getting deleted? You didn't pick up the squeak? Oh, nice. And I think Any is used for anim node. There's no anim node. There's a sprite node. Oh. I'm pretty sure I use this somewhere else to refer to it. Yes. So here I also have to change it. Yeah. Oh, did it crash? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, my computer's tweaking a little bit. Oh, it's working. Barely, but... Okay, let's test. And it still doesn't have it, so... Fanny.play def. Fanny is here. Sprite frames include... What? There. Includes animation called def. It cannot find... No, not found anim. What is it called? Anyway, I never made that mistake, and I am very good at reading my own code and errors. There's nothing messy about it. And I will totally not make the same mistake again. As I was saying, I will not be making the mistake again. Please don't crash. There. Oh, why are you missing a frame? Okay, well, it kinda works. It's kinda stuck on the ground now, but... Well, and then play default. Okay, so it uses gravity, and then if it is on the floor, if the drops base enemy process delta. Process. Do I use a different process? I don't. If drops are not... We don't really care about this. I mean, it will still grab these, so the drops. And def effect if it is not null, then instantiate it on location of where I am. And then delete itself. But it's not deleting itself. Let me check out the animation error first. What frame is this? That's not too bad. Weird bug, but should be fine now. Do we refer to process built anywhere else? Maybe in the entity thing? Physics process? No. Odd. I'm just gonna call a print here. Bomba. So I know whether or not this gets called.
I guess so.
It does not get called. So it does not trigger is on floor. Or it does not trigger current HP. So I'm gonna put an additional Bomba 2. Bomba 2 does get called every frame, so it in fact does not recognize that it's on the floor. Motion mode, mask, environment, player, enemy, hitbox, bird box, platform. Keep active. Maybe that will fix it. No, let me just do the other check. So if velocity dot y equals 0, meaning that we do not have any downward velocity anymore, so presumably when we hit the floor, then it will go. Although there might be a frame where it picks up too early. Which it does. It does pick up too early. How to go around this? Oh, we could just pull a raycast check instead. So we're just gonna add a raycast, pointing down, and then hitting just below. Only check for environment and platform. And then G check or ground check. If G check dot is colliding, then we can call that function. Additionally, I'm gonna bring this up slightly so we have more time to react. There. Is it exploding? That worked perfectly. Okay. So that should do that. Let's just get rid of it over here and go test it out in the actual fight zone. Wait, no one told me the no one told me the window capture was on the wrong thing. Oh god. Oh, no one saw anything. In the most literal sense. I thought I fixed it. Why are you stuck in the air? What does that mean? It can take damage to you? If you're in that state? Presume not, but... Oh. I figure you can turn. Okay, well, what went wrong? G-check is colliding, uses gravity is true. Maybe the spawn itself broke it? So combat encounter spawns it. Refers to that. If I update you? I doubt that changed anything, but still worth doing. Also, I have way too many scenes open. I need to close some stuff down. There, that's much better. So, spawns them over there. And then... Why did it... Wait, does it still work if I put it here? Because why did it work just now, but now it doesn't? No, that works. You've closed it, but okay. Yep. Why? It's so weird. Oh, is it... Does it break in rolling states? Does the roll itself break it? Because it tries to apply knockback to it. What? Oh, because we don't have enough speed here. Okay, that's normal. What? Oh no. Well then, you got more books. Yeah, okay, that seems to be it though. Okay, I'm just gonna make a note of this. Getting hits while in rolling states can cancel gravity. Rolling into grown. No, that what doesn't break it, but does bring 2 HP. Yeah. Yeah. Let's start with fixing that roll thing. I'm pretty sure it will all grow out. Maybe just in the player function I call that? Player. Take damage. There. So we turn off the locked gravity when we take damage. Somehow that wasn't called before. Now that should work. Secondly, the robots. Velocity that y is this. Maybe that works. So first test this. That is still not fixed.
And now, we have a wonderful surprise for you.
Make the mic live.
Resurrection.
Make the mic live.
Resurrection.
Oh, weird bug. Oh, I'll fix that. Oh, now you're going up. Okay. So your gravity's completely messed up. Ah, because the gravity function of course doesn't activate anymore. It uses gravity. No, I just do this. Yeah. So now you have gravity if you take hits. as for the player. Deactivates. So base chip. Chip ability. Deactivates. Yeah, what? Maybe only in local. Deactivates. No, same feature. Same function. Is it? It's not. Assume it happens when you roll up and it locks the gravity here. So we get to play her. There, holograph. So does it not get disabled here? Doesn't get disabled at all when I get hit. Oh, is this it? No, because I know I did this here before. So something. Oh, is it that is a soundtrack you like to perfect it? What do you mean? There. Yeah, the lyrics. Oh, of Nujabes? You mean? Love Nujabes. Sad they passed away. Holograph. Why is this getting enabled and disabled? Boing. Yeah, love their music. So it has to be something in the roll ability, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe this? sure hope this doesn't break the rest of the stuff. Oh, that fixed it. Okay, good test. Ah, but now that doesn't work. Okay. So I think I might know a hacky solution. I'm just gonna put an additional timer? Ah, no. I'll just do this. Activated stuffs. False. And now var activated stuffs is true. If activated stuffs, if not activated stuffs, returned. Oh, there. I think that did it. It did. Okay. Well, that's fixed. Now we can get rid of this guy. You don't have to be there anymore. And we'll just try out the combat encounter. Alright, so the first enemy should just die like this. That puts you into position for the next one. Oh, okay. So that one kind of teaches you about the bounce, I guess. And how it gives you iframes, perfect, okay. And then player can just roll over here. Okay. Can't hit that, but bonk. By the way, the all the roll sound effects, except the actual like sounds, are sampled from a song. And it's like a very goofy song. Dunk. Like that one is. The when you bump into something is. I'll show it because it's kind of interesting. Let me just pause this one. Media source. Make sure the volume is a bit down again. Again, it's a very goofy song. There you go.
Oi, you! Shut your mouth and look at my wad! Loads of money!
This is where the sound effects are coming from.
Into money. Loads of money.
The thing is one of the instruments, and
I know.
should be a
I know. It's loads of money.
sound effect. Yeah, this one. has sound effects from. Continuing. There. Okay. Well, time to polish up this room and I think that will be enough for today if I complete this room. So we got that little encounter. I want to do the background of that backdrop. party looking a lot more lively. Do that previous run too, number 13. But it has too much on this. Alright, it's already looking better, but just a little bit more. Right there a bit. Oh, Oh, sometimes I scroll way too far. A little bit, yeah. There's not really anyone talking in the chat, and I'm just drawing. Can't get your tongue? No. It's like this is like basically the most boring part of game development, or at least working on this game, and that is mainly because it's just drawing, like very small drawings. Which I don't dislike, it's fun, but there's not much to talk about other than just a bit of doodling. It's fine, don't worry about it. Because oh right, that one was the decoy. Guess this one goes on vector. There. Don't forget to place another platform. You're ending soon, I said? Yeah, I'm finishing this room and then I'll end stream probably. Still quite a bit to do in this room though, so should be fine. Maybe I add like a breakable wall here. Still have to like add functionality for this. The controller then. Stream is chill? It is. We chillin'. Wonder what to do with this big open space. Maybe a little combat encounter again? Yeah, but this one is like a bigger combat encounter in which you have to really make use of the platforming. And after that you can hit the switch. Eight, 5 and 6 will be used for this. Oh, there it is. This one should be 6 then, I think. No, 4. 4. The gates used are 5 and 6. Gate 5. And gate 6. We'll do a bunch of waves. Let me make the environment a bit nicer first though. This is gonna roll up. Just make it so that this rolls that way. A platform up here maybe? Maybe roll from here as well. Yeah, with chains. Stand the waterfalls a bit. Mm. Oh shit, some people still. Bro. Maybe on the platform between those two. And here too. Clear that global position. This might completely break this, but I kind of want this as an optimization part of the code. How do I go through testing distance again? Oh, there was a feature for this. This then if global position distance to to a vector, yeah. Is less than 20. Yeah. Only then do these things. Look at 40, just in case. Okay, so the player enters the room, could fall down here, could get on top here. There's a roll to go up here. There's a way to roll up here. Okay, time to start positioning some enemies. So I think in the first wave I want a turret over here. Oh. Patroller over here. And a bat up here. So that's wave 1. Let's put it. Turrets. Patroller first actually, then turret, and that one. So the patroller's location is 19. 8. One, 9, 8. Is that the right one? Did I check the wrong one? I did check the wrong one. Okay. 2, 8, 3. The turret is on 3, 6, 8. And the bat robot or drone is on 1, 5, 2. It's wave 1. Wave 2. I want the turret up here. Patroller down here. And the bat robot over here. Glub? Where's Glub? Spawn the turret first. And oh, both at the same. Okay. The turret. This. A phase into existence. Welcome back. Oh, there. Turret, the damage to the patroller at 3, 6, 7. Three, 6, 7. And then the last one, that bot at 277. 277. And then for the last wave, I think I'll only do a bunch of robots all over the place, like a bunch of bad bots. Oh, I should do that for one of the first waves to kind of teach you about going around. Yeah, that's better. So, add element, wave. And then in the last wave I just want one extra enemy. One more patroller up here. Two, 1, 1. Patroller. Boom. That wave's done. Let's make the first wave. This one goes out. This one goes out. This one goes out. And this one goes out. That one stays. I put one drone over here. 192. Gonna put 5 total. All of them batbots. One 352. Next location down here. Two 69. 269. One in between here. Three 5 2. Three 5 2. One over here, I guess. Over here. Yeah, over here. 207. And then the last one over here. 350. Oh. There. Add some more pots and that area should be done. Oh. Oh, maybe I should add some thorns too, actually. No, because the player would roll into it and it wouldn't feel very fun. Your moderation hates you? How come? What did it do? What did it censor this time? Keeps blocking everything you say. Or maybe you're saying very mean stuff to me and it's just trying to save me. I'm kidding. It's not even bad at all, it's normal sentences. I don't know how to like moderate it. Like if there's a... Oh, is that a mosquito? Not anymore. You would never? Yeah, I know you would never. But I'm trying to like find where I can see like the messages that are getting like flagged, but community moderation. Moderation basic. Oh, I can just put it to none. Because basic says hold potentially inappropriate messages. So there's none, basic, strict, and hold all. It was set to basic, which only gets inappropriate, potentially inappropriate comments. So I'm just gonna put it to none. I don't see why anyone would like harass in chat anyway, so. This should do. You're not saying inappropriate things? I know you aren't. That's why it's weird that it's still like what do you call it? It's trying to moderate you out. There. This part looks a little bit empty, so I'm gonna add a bit more detail here. Okay. Oops, there. Thank God Control Z is a thing. Oh, not on decal either, it's on backdrop. Mhm. Alright. No, over here. It needs more. You were saying? To text you? Oh, you messaged me something? When you're done with stream? Oh, okay. I will. Yeah. So you can say separately but not full sentence? Makes no sense. Testing time. Okay. Take care. Good luck with the cleaning. Thank you. Huh? Oh. So the second spawn is bugs. It's the first wave and then the second one. $10.70-ish. 3 something. Huh? 8/3. 2 8s. 2 8s. 3. 2 8s. 2. 76. And then as for the bottom one. Okay, these coordinates are completely off. 3, 6, 7 from what I had before. Okay. Let's hope we don't get soft lock this time. Oh, it doesn't trigger your death function. I understand. combat encounter. I'm pretty sure tests for that. Or not. Actually, don't know. Ready. Pick enemies. No, it's checking for any in the entire level. Okay, that's a thing I never worked with before. So if there's any enemies in the level, it cannot use combat gates separately. So I need to seclude those. Which I should definitely fix in the future, but not right now. Very you can navigate to this, you can go back. And there's a big encounter. Huh? Oh, you're on the decal layer. Okay. Oh, that's kind of nice. One of them is missing. Okay. It's the one in the top right. Actually, over here, I want one. There you go. I should fix that, and then this one. First wave. Could be first then. That is way too high. Yeah, that has to be the one that's bugged. 148. There you go. Oh, oops. Dun, 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 dun. Huh. Okay. Avoid the spikes. Oh! Is there no reset points? Yeah, there's no reset points. Wait, how did that work? thorns. Last safe boss. Per layer. Last safe. Safe boss. How do we get last safe boss? Save boss. Boss. No. Thorn. Save zone. Save. There it is. Oh, hi Liz. What's up? Oh, okay, that's interesting. The ceiling? True. Rolling into thorns doesn't... Exits. Iframes. Cancel. And hazards. Yeah, that's a bug. This one. 2. Oh, you get... What layer is that? Chain. Chain. Roll. No, what do I call these? Rune passable, okay. Passable. Check your code. You don't have code. What was your collision? On roll against layer. Roll against. Oh. That's there. Why do you bump into? Adrian, explain our metal. Huh? I don't think I get it. Roll against there. So it will explode upon hitting a chain. Iframes. Environmental hazards. So thorn. You're on hitbox. if you have special codes. You do. But you get ignored because your collision layer is not on the right one. Has to be a hitbox type. Oh, I know how to fix this. It's on the player, on the take damage function. If it's iframes, no, if hit dot owner. The name? For hit that get parents. The name. So that's the hit. Parents name is sworn. If not. This time. Does that work? It does not. Whatever, it's a feature. You can roll through spikes. You can roll through thorns. Oh my god, that launches you. Okay. Oh! And your ground check doesn't hit the... That's... You need to have a different type of ground check. Casts. Shape cast. G check. Oh, hey Snow. Just popping in. Looks great. Keep up with the great work. Thanks for checking in. Haven't seen you in a while. How have you been? Hope you've been good. I can imagine. Lots of work in school. Let's see, what year are you now? Like, university, right? Because I recall you were about my age. Been adulting. I know all about it. Ground check is done. What else? Alright. on the level. That kinda. This is the playground. There, that's better. I'm in graduation school, took time to work, and now working in masters. I don't quite understand how the American system works, I can't lie. So is that like university, like the final school thing? Spend your days in a lab now? Ooh, you get to like intern or actually work in a lab? Yeah, working to be medical lab scientists. Ooh, cool. So does that mean you get to like do chemistry stuff, like testing medicine, or basically second degree? Ooh, okay. I don't really know what that entails, but I presume that's pretty good. Lots of testing, mostly patient samples. Oh, you get to like test with like pieces of skin, hairs, and all that. Like when the doctors draw your blood and stuff. Okay. Ah, you get to like test on the blood files and all that. Checking like what's in the blood. And how does it react to certain components? Am I getting that right? Okay, I think I've finished this room. Yeah, gotta go now, cause but I hope we can catch up. Yeah, message me whenever you're free. I'd love to catch up. Alright, take care. I was actually about to end stream too. Like this room was the last thing I wanted to have done, and ooh, it's a big room now. Alright. Let me just put this to that. Alright, so thank you again to everyone who watched. It's been fun. And oh, Snowball? You know Snow Tesla? Anyway, as I was saying. Oh yeah, of course. I enjoy doing this as much as you guys like watching. It's relaxing, like it's much more calm than working on it normally, because normally when you watched them ages ago. I see, yeah. They're a good friend of mine. Cool guy. Anyway, as I was saying, yeah, usually I go hours without like eating and stuff and without talking or anything, and I just like fully focus on the development, which is fun because I'm like a workaholic. I really like to work on my thing, but talking to chat every now and then is nice. So yeah, thank you again everyone for tuning in. Hopefully stream again next week. I try to do it on Tuesdays. That's like what I'm trying to get a schedule, but not every Tuesday works out, so yeah. Take care everyone.